Okay, for homework 425, I'd like you to try to draw this best you can. I'm going to show you one set, and then the other one on the right, I'd like you to try to do on your own. I'd like you to also write down the magic words to show me that you listen. All right, so we are doing triangle congruence. You need to know that that symbol is the triangle congruent symbol. If I give you two triangles like this first example, and I show you that they are truly congruent, that means you need to know how to label all the other parts correspondingly. If I label this A and B and C, then if I went to this triangle, I would have to make sure this is D. I'd have to go to E and then end up right here at D, E, F for it to be matching up, to match up that triangle right there labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, labeled that way. And then with those angles, this is 110, this is 20, this is 10 right here. So need to know that all the angles match up. Looks like I messed up on those angles. Look at that. That means angle F is equal to angle C, so that's 20. Angle D equal to angle A, that's 10. Look how easily you could put the wrong degrees in there. So based on that, I'd like you to do one on your own where I'm labeling this A starting at the bat, B going to the little, and then C going to the side. Label it the same way. Put those lengths in the correct spot. First word is flower, flower. All right, so for that first problem on your own, label it correctly the way I did. Put those numbers and lengths and angles, these are angles, put those in the right place for that triangle. All right, next, this one, I give you the pieces and I ask you, do you have enough to prove they're congruent? And I want you to see that the way we do these, you got to go in an order, in a row. You got 1, 2, 3 in a row. Looks like you have in there an angle, a side, and an angle sandwiched between. So that is your pure angle, side, angle look. That would give you the right to put that congruent symbol in there. Just know, if I wanted side angle side, I would have had this one, and I would have put my third line right there if I wanted to show that side angle side look. If I wanted to show the AS look, two angles and a side, I would have two angles in a row. Let me show you. I would have it look like this. I would have two angles consecutive in a row with nothing between them, and then a shared side. That's the pure AAS look. That's AAS. And then, of course, remember, if you wanted to do side, 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 side would have all of those pieces being equal to be side by side. But this one, the way I listed, angle, side, angle, you have the right to put that symbol in there. For your second problem on your own, I want you to look at this, but be careful. Looks like I have consecutive sides in a row and an angle. And if you're in class, you need to know what two sides in a row and an angle mean. That is the bad word, ass. All right, second word is perch, perch. All right, for this last problem here, I give you the theorem and I ask you to put the third mark where it needs to be. So for this to be SAS, a side sandwiched around, or an angle sandwiched between two sides, I could not put my third mark right there. That would show ass. I would have to put my next mark right here. So that would show that that angle is sandwiched between two equal sides. So I want you to come over here and see that for your third problem. This is angle, angle, side. I want you to put that side in a spot that would have two consecutive angles in a row and a side. Nothing breaking up the angles. Two angles in a row and a side. Put that mark where it needs to go. Third word is ice, ice. So show me those words, my examples, and show me that you tried those on your own. Good luck.